Hi and welcome to this week's online assembly. We acknowledge the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation as the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we gather, learn and grow, and we recognize their continuing connection to land, water and culture. We pay our respects to the elders and young people of the past, present and future generations, and to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another online assembly. It's been an amazing term and we really look forward to everyone having a wonderful and safe Easter. It's been great seeing students demonstrating our new respect values and also participating in lots of different activities that we've had throughout the term. We've had things like Wacky Wednesday this week, we've had cross country, our preps have gone off on their very first excursion to Bunjil Place, and I want to thank everybody for their support and organisation in making those things happen. Next week is the last week of term one. Can you believe it? The last week, and then it's Easter time. So we have our assembly next Thursday. We'll be drawing the Easter raffle, so make sure you've bought all of your raffle tickets. Ask Mum and Dad to buy some more if you need. And we have an early finish at 2:30. So everyone will be over in the gym to have their last assembly, and we look forward to having a wonderful time everyone together. Don't forget, it's the Easter bonnet parade over there as well, so design your hat and wear that there. Next term we look forward to more events such as camp and swimming. The dental van is visiting. So on behalf of everyone here at school, I hope you all have a wonderful Easter and a safe break, and we'll see you in term 2. Bye.
Welcome to this week's Student Talk. This is Jaiko and Maya. We are interviewing Jacinta from 2G. Now onto the questions. If you could travel to any country, where would you go?
Japan.
Yeah, that's a pretty good country. What is your favorite sport?
Basketball.
Same, that's my favorite sport. What AFL team do you support?
Geelong Cats.
What is your favorite thing to do in the weekends?
Going to the park.
Oh yeah.
What is your favorite season?
Autumn.
If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
Teleportation.
Okay. Who is your favorite celebrity?
Taylor Swift.
I think Harry Styles.
Yeah, same. I think Harry
Yeah.
Styles.
What is 3 words that best describe you?
Kind. Brave.
Mhm.
And friendly.
Those are good ones. What do you think came first, the chicken or the egg?
The chicken.
If you were stranded on an island, what is one thing you would take with you?
My sister.
Sister? Why is that? Why do you want?
Because I'm not brave enough that much. Because I don't want to be left with the sharks.
Alright, that brings us to an end. So stay tuned for next week's Student Talk and bye.
Bye.
That brings us to the end of this week's online assembly. Remember to keep showing respect to our teachers, our classmates, and ourselves.
We hope you have an amazing week full of learning, laughter, and respectful choices. Stay safe, be proud, and we'll see you next time. Bye.